guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial video on how to temporarily disable an Instagram account. So what you need to do, you need to go first of all I want to tell you some things. This cannot be done via the app. You need to either access it from the web using a laptop, a PC or your mobile, but you cannot do it from the mobile like the in-app. So you need to first go to Google or any web browser there on your computer or laptop. So you need to go there and type instagram.com. Yeah. So you will be going to this page. You need to give your all credentials and all. So this is my password, so I'm gonna give the password right now. I'm gonna log in. No, I don't know why, but I'm gonna do it. Never, don't do it. So, it gives a risk of stealing your data and all. Not now. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go to profile settings. Then I'm gonna scroll down. This is my account. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down. Then you will see an option here, temporarily disable my account. Okay, this one, temporarily disable my account. You need to click on there. Then we'll scroll down a bit. Why are you disabling your account? So you have to select one reason. Privacy concerns, can't find people to follow, too busy, too distracting, want to remove something. So you need to do any one of them. So I'm gonna give something else. I have to re-enter my password. Yeah, then scroll down a bit. Before doing this, we have to keep something in mind. We can disable your account instead of deleting it. So this means that your account will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. You can only disable your account once a week. So yeah, you can do it only once a week. So right now I'm doing it today. The next time I will be able to again disable my account, it will be the next week. So 7 days gap is required. So just we have to click temporarily disable account. You will be given one more warning or pop-up. You are about to temporarily disable your account. Go ahead, question mark. We have to just do yes, and bazinga, your account is disabled. So right now now you have disabled your account. Say after 5 days you need to again open your account. So what you need to do, you just need to enter your credentials like the phone number, username or email, and enter the password, then log in, and then you will you can open the account once more. So this is how you can disable an account, Instagram account, on laptop, PC. So this cannot be done by the app. You need to only do it from the laptop using the web browser. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it will be very useful to you if you want to disable your Instagram account. So this is a tutorial video. More tutorial videos will be coming back on my channel. Also some videos on unboxing and reviews will also come on my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and comment down below if you found any fault with this video, so I can improve the next time I post a video. Thank you.